Welcome. In this presentation, we will explore how to build a student record management system using the C programming language. This system will allow us to perform basic create, read, update, and delete operations on student records stored in a file. We'll be building a file-based create, read, update, and delete application in C. The features include create student records, read and search data, update existing records, and delete student entries. Let's examine the structure of our project. We have four main files. Main.c, which serves as the entry point and contains the menu system. Student.h, this file defines the structure of a student record. Fileops.c, where we implement the file operations, and students.dat, a binary file used for storing the student data. Here's the code snippet of the student structure. It includes the student ID, name, course, GPA, and semester. GPA stands for grade point average. Now let's delve into the file operations. This code shows how to open the student data file. The Open Student File function takes a mode, such as read or write, and attempts to open the students.dat file. If the file cannot be opened, an error message is printed, and the function returns null. Otherwise, it returns a file pointer that can be used to read from or write to the file. Let's implement the create operation to add new student records. The addStudent function prompts the user to enter the student's ID and name, and other details, then writes this information to the students.dat file. The file is opened in append binary mode, so new records are added to the end of the file without overwriting existing data. After writing the data, the file is closed. Now let's look at the read operation. The display all students function reads and displays all student records from the students.dat file. It opens the file in read binary mode, and then reads each record into a student structure. The ID and name of each student are printed to the console until the end of the file is reached. Finally, the file is closed. Now let's look at the search operation. The search student function allows users to search for a specific student record by ID. It opens the students.dat file in read binary mode, prompts the user to enter a student ID, and then iterates through the file, comparing the entered ID with the ID of each student record. If a match is found, a message indicating that the student was found is displayed. Here's how to implement the update operation. The update student function allows users to modify an existing student record. It opens the students.dat file in read plus binary mode, which allows both reading and writing. The function prompts the user to enter the ID of the student to update, and then iterates through the file. When the matching ID is found, the user is prompted to enter the new name for the student. The seek function is used to move the file pointer back to the beginning of the current record, and the updated student structure is written to the file. Here is how the delete operation is implemented. The delete student function removes a student record from the students.dat file. Since you can't directly delete from a binary file, this function copies all records except the one to be deleted to a temporary file. Then, it deletes the original file and renames the temporary file to students.dat. This effectively removes the desired record from the file. This is the main function where the program execution starts. It displays a menu with options to add, view, search, update, or delete students, or to exit the program. The function uses a do-while loop to continuously show the menu until the user chooses to exit. A switch statement is used to call the appropriate function based on the user's choice. In summary, this project covered several key concepts. We handled binary files using functions like fopen, fred, frite, seek, and file pointers. We implemented create, read, update, and delete operations for data management. We used structs to organize related data and manage complex information. Finally, we implemented a linear search algorithm to find specific records in the data files. This project provides a foundation for understanding file handling and data management in C. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.